Welcome to Docsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your net worth tracker. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, the first tab is the instruction tab. So you don't have to do anything here. This tab is here just to show you the cells in which you can enter information or the cells which you can edit. So the red cells are the ones in which you can enter information or the cells which you can edit. Also throughout this tab, there are different notes. So if you move your cursor over certain cells, you can see there are these notes. And these notes are here to show you what that particular table, cell, or that particular chart is about. So if you feel confused while working in your actual sheet, you can come back to this tab, or you can refer to this YouTube video, or you can read the instruction PDF that you will receive. This is how you will, this is how your net worth tracker will be once you first receive it. And then you have to enter your currency symbol. It can be USD, it can be CAD, and it will just reflect throughout the sheet. It can be anything, and this is how it will be once you fill in all the information throughout the year. So all you have to do is enter your currency symbol and then come down to assets. So under assets, there are different categories like cash and bank, investments, property, vehicles, other assets. Then there is liabilities, in which there are categories like short-term debt, long-term debt, and other liabilities. All you have to do is enter your subcategory name. So let's say checking account. Then throughout the year you have to enter the numbers, and that's all you have to do is each month just input the numbers for each subcategory. So for stock portfolio it is 45,000, then 45,450, and so on. Same goes for your liabilities, for your debt. All you have to do is enter the subcategory, and then you have to enter the numbers throughout the year for each month. Then on the very right, growth will be calculated for you for each of the subcategories. So let's say for checking account, growth is $1,000, and growth percentage is 25%. Same for every subcategory, same for every category. So you will able to analyze how your growth has been across different categories, across different assets, and also across different liabilities. Same goes for the both. At the very top, there is net worth month by month. Here you will be able to see your net worth, your total assets month by month. Also, these arrows will indicate whether your net worth, your assets and liabilities have been increasing or decreasing, or same relative to the previous month. So that way you will be able to understand more about your net worth and your financial position. At the very top, there are different KPIs like annual net worth growth, total assets, total liabilities, liquidity percentage, and debt percentage. Again, this is for you to be able to understand your financial position more clearly, and for you to analyze your finances better. These charts will help you understand your net worth growth, your assets versus your liabilities, and also your asset allocation. How it is allocated across different categories of assets. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory. This is very simple, straightforward, and you can understand it by just taking a look at it. But again, if you still have any issue, if you still have any problems, you can contact us on Etsy, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. Thank you.